Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The CUET result is out, and if you are wondering which DU college can I get with my percentile, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will explain the approximate college range you can expect based on your CUET percentile. We will talk about North Campus, South Campus, and Off Campus, and I will also explain why two students with the same percentile can still get different colleges. So, before we begin, one important thing, this is not an official cutoff. These are approximately predictions based on previous admission trends. Final admissions depends on your normalized CUET score, category, course, preference list, seat availability, and official CSAS allotment process. So let's get started. First, many students ask whether marks are important or percentile. So the answer is that both matters equally, but percentile help you understand where you stand compared to other students. That's why many students use percentile to estimate their admission chances. Now let's discuss the college ranges from percentiles. If your percentile is between 99.5 and 100, you have an excellent chances of getting a top North Campus college depending on your course and category. This includes SRCC, Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, Hindu College, Hansraj, Miranda House, Kirodimal College, and Ramjas College. Of course, highly competitive courses like BCom Honors, Economics Honors, Psychology Honors, English Honors, and BMS usually require stronger scores than many other programs. Now let's move to the next range. If your percentile is between 99.2 and 99.5, you still have a very good chance of getting a North Campus depending upon your course and college. Some of the most competitive courses may have slightly higher closing scores, but overall this is a strong percentile range. If your percentile is between 98.5 and 99.2, this is where many students fall. In this range, you may get a North Campus college for some courses, while for other, you may get a top South Campus colleges. यहाँ कोर्स सिलेक्शन बहुत important हो जाता है. Now let's talk about students scoring between 97 and 98.5 percentile. With this percentile, you have good chance of getting South Campus colleges. Depending on the course and seat availability, you may also get some of the North Campus colleges that have relatively lower competition in that course. Next comes the 97 from 95 to 97 percentile. Students in this range generally have good chances of getting a South Campus college and several good off campus colleges. This is also the stage where your preference list becomes extremely important. So basically अगर आपकी preference list सही तरीके से नहीं fill होती तो better college miss भी हो सकता है. Now let's discuss about 90 to 95 percentile. Students in this range generally get opportunities in off-campus colleges. However, don't think this means you cannot get a good college. Many off-campus colleges have excellent faculty, placements, and societies. Your college experience depends on your how you make the use of the opportunities available in that college. Finally, if your percentile is below 90, don't lose hope. Every year, students get admissions through different rounds depending on the course, category, and seat availability. Also, in the spot rounds. So, don't compare yourself with others. Focus on making the best possible preference list because everything depends on the preference list. Now, let's answer the one biggest question. Can two students with same percentile get different colleges? Yes, absolutely. Let's say a student A and student B both have 98.8 percentile. Student A fills the preference list carefully and puts all the colleges in the correct order from highest to lowest. And students B fill the preferences randomly based on different courses and different colleges. Even with the same percentile, both students can receive different colleges because DU allotment depends on much more than just percentiles. Category also plays an important role. Course preference matters, seat availability changes in every round, and finally, the order in which you fill your preference can affect your allotment definitely. I always recommend that you don't depend only on online college predictors. Use them as a reference, but make your preference list after a proper research. So if I summarize today's video, From 99.5 percentile to 100 percentile, you have a stronger chance for getting a top North Campus college. And from 99.2 to 99.5 percentile, very good chances of North Campus colleges. And from 98.5 to 99.2, the North Campus colleges are open for some courses and top South Campus colleges for others. 97 to 98.5 percentile, there are good chances for South Campus. And if you get 95 to 97, South Campus and good off campus colleges are open for you. 90 to 95 percentile, you will get mostly off campus colleges. Below 90, admission is still possible in spot rounds or if cutoff fall in this year. But remember, these are approximate ranges and not official cutoff. If you want me to predict your college, you can comment me your CUET percentile category and prefer course below. I will try to reply to as many comments as possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching my video and I will see you in the next CUET update.